Hello guys, today Trinity's going to cook some vegetable beef soup. Use that freeze-dried meat to make some vegetable soup today. So let's see how we're going to do it. So we decided to use the freeze-dried steak to make some beef soup tonight. What we did was we reused the same water from the previous day's soaking to soak the steaks, and we'll use that water to make the stew, or to make the soup rather. Well, I guess we're using some of this
tomato.
Okay, hand it back to me. So what all did you put in there?
Oh, I put just a little bit of everything. Freeze-dried onions, bell peppers, broccoli, vegetable soup mix. This stuff right here. Put bell peppers, vegetable soup, chopped onion. Got spices in there. Salt, pepper, paprika. A little bit of Italian seasoning. So I got right here. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of that because it's good stuff. A little bit of olive oil. Just a little olive taste, but not too strong. Kind of thickens it. The thing of clamato, beef bouillon. For the broth. We also use the liquid that we use to rehydrate the meat, so it's got all that in it. Look at that piece of meat there. Isn't that great? So it's just gonna be good. Now I'm about ready to put this on the stove and boil it up. I'll soften everything up. Got some water if I need to add it. Keep it about right there. Slow boil. And it'll be great.
Alright, looks good, smells good. Let's see what it tastes like. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon, or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.